If you are planning to buy paper gold, this is the right time. The RBI or the Reserve Bank of India has announced 2 more tranches of sovereign gold bonds, the SGB 2023-24 Series 3 and 4. And well, why is this the right time? We tell you in this video. Hello and welcome, I'm Pallavi Sharma and you are watching MoneyWise with ET Now. Let's begin. Starting with, what are sovereign gold bonds? Sovereign gold bonds or SGBs are government securities denominated in grams of gold. It is like an alternative to gold. Investors pay the issue price and the bonds are redeemed at maturity. These are issued directly by RBI on the behalf of the government, and all you need is your PAN number to apply for these bonds. RBI last issued SGBs in September this year, and the Series 3 subscription period is scheduled from December 18, that is Monday, to December 22. The date of issuance is December 28. For Series 4, it is from February 12 to February 16, 2024, and the issuance date is February 21. Now, how is the price calculated for this? Well, the nominal value of the bond is based on the simple average closing prices of gold with a purity of 999 published by the India Bullion and Jewellers Association for the last 3 days of the week prior to subscription. You can redeem these bonds on maturity in Indian rupees. The simple average of 999 purity gold price over the previous 3 business days of the redemption date as reported by the association will be the redemption price. These bonds bear an interest at the rate of 2.5% per annum on the price paid by the investors. Both the interest and the proceeds will be credited in the bank account of the customer, which was mentioned while purchasing the bonds. Now, how much can you subscribe for? Individuals and HUFs can subscribe for up to 4 kgs. Trusts and similar entities can subscribe for up to 20 kgs in a fiscal year. During the fiscal year, SGB subscribed under various tranches and purchased in the secondary market will be included in this annual ceiling. The first ever tranche of SGB issued on November 30, 2015 was redeemed on November 30 this year. The redemption price was at 6,132 rupees per unit, which was bought at 2,684 rupees per unit. Excluding the interest, the returns were at 128.5%. All that said, where can you buy these SGBs? It can be sold through the commercial banks, Stock Holding Corporation of India, Clearing Corporation of India, designated post offices and recognized stock exchange, which are the NSE and BSE, directly or through agents. Coming to the tax benefits, SGBs are tax-efficient investments. If investments are kept to maturity, capital gains on the redemption of SGBs are exempt from capital gains tax. The tax is applicable if they are sold before maturity. However, the interest income is still taxable. Now, if these are not physical gold, why would you pick this over gold ETFs? Well, there is a fixed interest, there is no capital gains tax, so why not? And in India, gold has given around 12% CAGR return in the last 25 years. If this continues, money invested in SGB can double in the next 8 years as per experts. And why not physical gold? Well, the physical gold is also an option, but the storage can cost you some money because, well, we all don't have safes to keep the safe haven safe, right? Besides that, you can get a periodical interest with SGBs. They are also free from additional charges like making charges and purity. To know the difference in detail, check the link in the description and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to ET Now's YouTube channel.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.